WordPress backend which is called dashboard. Okay, so fire up your MAMP and verify that all the servers are running. Okay, this red mark here says that your Apache server is running. This says that your MySQL server is running. So make sure to check that, and then open up your favorite browser, which in my case is again Safari. Where are you? Here we go, and go to the address of your website, which is localhost column 8888 and the folder which we have created. So it was my WordPress. So this is the website which all of you will see and all other people will see, and this is not the login area of your website. The login address is, as I told you, wp-admin after the normal link of your website. So hit enter and go to that link and type your username, which in my case is admin, and your password, which in my case is again very funny password 1 2 3 and 4 5, and then click on login. This is your dashboard. Here we will control and manage our website. Okay, now you can click on learn WordPress, hover over learn WordPress, and you can visit your website by clicking this, and here we are. This top area, this top black area is not seen by any other people who are viewing your website, and you can go back to the backend of your website by clicking on learn WordPress or and dashboard. And this is the dashboard. Dashboard is the area where we manage our website. Okay, and I'm going to give a quick tour. These are the screen options. You can turn them off and they will disappear. I don't usually like them because they are messy, and you can turn them on. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to keep it as it is. You can go to home and you go to updates, and here you can update all your WordPress plugins and theme and your WordPress core WordPress itself. But our is updated because we have the latest version of WordPress. And here we are. This is the post option. This option can be used to create and manage all your posts and categories and tag. Don't worry, we will talk in depth about all these options in the later videos. This media option is used to add pictures and videos on your WordPress website. This pages is used to add and manage pages on your WordPress website. This comment option is used to manage comments, and this can also be used to write comment and reply to comment on your WordPress website. This appearance option will manage how your website is going to look like to other people. This plugin is used to add extra functionality. This users, here you can manage all your users. You can create new admin, you can change your password and everything here. Your tools, we can import data from another website, which we are not going to do right now. And this is the setting area where we can do the professional and required setting for our WordPress. So just hover over setting and go to permalink, and then just click on post name. I will explain you when we will create some post or pages, but for now just click on the post name and save changes. And then you can go to users and you can change your password over here, and you can change your email as well, but you can change the username, which is shown here. That username cannot be changed. You can change your email, so I'm going to change my email from info I don't know to info I don't know. So you can update your profile by clicking over here, and you can add a little bit about you, your website, and your nickname. You can change your password by here. So I'm going to change my password from 12345 to PSSWORD. Confirm use of big password. Make sure to check mark this and click update profile. And here we are. This is a quick tour of WordPress. Now you can click on WordPress or dashboard, and here we are. Let's clean our WordPress site first. So go to pages and click over here and move to trash, apply. Don't worry too much, we are going to explain all these things in details, but for now do what I'm saying to you. Just clean your WordPress website. So go to post, all post, and put them into the trash, and go to trash and delete them from there, and go to comments, and there are no comments. I'm surprised. So click on dashboard, and this is a quick tour of WordPress. One more thing, you can also minimize this little box from by clicking over here. So just minimize this because they are messy, and yeah, you can go to your front end of the website which other people will see. So let's go there, and here we are. This is a quick tour of WordPress. Don't worry, we are going to explain each and every single thing of WordPress in depth. So I will see you in all other in-depth tutorial. Bye for now and keep learning.